Right, let's set up tempos for our project. First off, we need to view it. So right at the top here, drop down this button and select Beats and Project. And then from that we can see the tempo in the middle. If we want to hear the metronome in our track, we can just press K or this button here. Now we should be able to hear the metronome. And if I want to change the tempo, I can click and drag here, or I can double click and type it in. And that's how you set up a basic rigid tempo for the whole project. If you want the tempo to change, then you need to use the global tracks, which is this button here. And then from there you'll be able to see tempo. What you can do now is you can actually plot a tempo grid that changes. So we can start at 80 BPM, and then in bar 5 we can add a node and drag this up so we can change from 80 BPM to 90 like this. You can have a gradual increase by moving this black automation point here. And that's generally how you do it.